Hi, I'm Owen Webb, and I got started in this wonderful industry way back when I was about 16 and a half years old. I left school on the Friday and started my panel beat and spray painting apprenticeship on the Monday. And now I don't really know what I do. I do a little bit of everything, so I'm still involved with the smash repair industry a little bit, but I'm mainly involved with running events in the overall in the automotive industry. I'm sure people would have heard of the Summer Nats, Rocky Nats, Red Centre Nats, and so I guess I got probably the best job in the industry. Being brought up in this industry and really not, obviously you see a lot of other things and talk to a lot of other people, but it's a very unique industry and it has a lot of characters. I really like that about our industry. And a lot of really well self-made people that are really passionate about it. And now it's all about innovation. There's so much innovation in the industry now. And not necessarily just on electric cars and all that sort of stuff, but people are looking at doing things a lot smarter. So a lot of really clever people in our industry. There's not much that I don't like about the industry. It's a bit of a cliche. Negative people. So I just love positive people that even if they've got a problem, they still see the positivity in it. So probably just the negativity, but you don't really see that much of that now. So it's a really good industry to be involved with. In this industry, there's nobody that stands out to me as such, but I admire people that have become successful on their own merits through hard work, and you can think of quite a few shops, but also suppliers and different people that do that. But the other thing, which I didn't mention and what I really like about the industry, is I love training and passing the knowledge on to young people. That's what I probably like more than anything about the whole industry, because they are our future. All right, my first car. Had a few paddock bashes over the years. I grew up on a farm, but my first road car was an FC Holden, which obviously I modified. My current car, I actually have a Colorado four-wheel drive, but I have a couple of other pretty special cars. I've got an XW Falcon, XY Falcon, really nice EH Holden. So I've got a couple of cars back home in the garage. My next dream car is probably, I don't really aspire to have a dream car. I like cars that I sort of grew up with, and it was around that muscle car area. So probably the next thing I would be maybe another XW Falcon GT, something like that. I do.